Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Nakash and I am from Pakistan. I have completed my bachelor's in social sciences and pursuing my master's in public administration. I am also working in public organization. Now I am here to present my assignment for the course of innovation and technology management in tourism and hospitality. So first I will discuss about my assignment and its parts. My assignment is related to hospitality organization. So first I have to select one tourism or hospitality organization. After that I do SWOT analysis for the selected organization, and last develop an IT based business solution to help the organization to improve and develop. So I have selected a Pixie Hotel, Pearl Continental Hotel, as a hospitality organization. So you can see its picture in the slide. Pearl Continental Hotel. First I will discuss about the brief history of Pearl Continental Hotel, which is situated in Lahore, Pakistan. So here it is a brief history. Pakistan Services Limited (PSL) was incorporated in 1958 as a public limited company and is quoted on Karachi Stock Exchange since 1964. The primary business of PSL is hospitality. It initially incorporated under management of Intercontinental Hotel. However, when Hasho Group acquired PSL in 1985, it changed the name of hotels to PC Hotels and become the largest and oldest five-star hotel chain of Pakistan. So now I discuss the goals and its objective. First of all, objective is tourist services, training its staff, profitability, growth profile, compatibility, traditional hospitality, and environment of professional enhancement. So these are some goals and objectives of PC Hotel, which is situated in Lahore. So now I have to do a SWOT analysis: strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. So what's the strength of PC Hotel? So here is some strengths. It is a market leader, strong backing from Hasho Group, strong and established network of hotels. Their brand is well established and popular among customers. Pearl Continental Hotel Management very much take care about employees training, strong IT infrastructure. These are strengths of PC hotels, and now we will discuss some weaknesses of the Pearl Continental Hotel. So it's still thriving for five-star hotels, luxuries, huge investment, competitive luxuries facilities, lack of artificial intelligence system, staff, politics, and selling. These are weaknesses which people are facing. So let's begin opportunities. Introducers of the concept like privileged club. So it has a it has a great market share, brand image. Obviously, it has a goodwill, standardized material, significant development in tourism industry. Threats. They are the introducers, so it is a threat that whether we will be popular or not. They have great three competitors like Awari Hotel, Ambassador Hotel, and Hotel Inn, which are growing. People may ignore and join its competitor. So last threat, which is worldwide COVID-19 pandemic, it is also a threat that we are all facing. So these were the SWOT analysis that I have in the slide. So further moving, today information technology and system play a significant role in the business's performance, especially in tourism and hospitality. ITIS departments also evaluate existing system and technology and IT infrastructure in order to identify the need for the technology solution and provide recommendation to the company in order to improve its innovation and help create new sustainable competitive advantages. Nowadays, for many people, travel has become an essential part in their life. Travelers are seeking for convenient and personalized experience. Correspondingly, businesses and destinations are striving to stay the optimal experience for tourists in the personal and memorable way. In the past 2 decades, with the element of information technology and IT-based businesses, innovation for tourist tourism and hospitality organization and destination. So, the third one is IT-based business to help the PC hotel further improvement and development. PC hotel can adopt artificial and intelligence and robotics for the improvement and growth. For example, PC hotel can adopt voice-powered rooms, chatbot applications, concierge reports. So first we will discuss voice-powered rooms like Siri and OK Google voice command. Voice powered. PC hotel can adopt artificial intelligence and robotics, so it will be hotel with new concepts. Robotics can serve their customers. PC hotel can also adopt voice powered like Apple phone working on a Siri and OK Google voice. Hotel guests could be able to ask Siri to for information, for recommendation, give command for the control of lights and temperature of the rooms, and then Siri will be able to serve its guest as virtual assistant basically in a room. The second option is a chatbot. A chatbot is another popular example that Pearl Continental Hotel can adopt. It is basically artificial intelligence application in tourism and hospitality. A lot of travel companies actually have their own chatbot. We can see the example of Edwardian Hotel. They have Edward as a chatbot who assists their customer. If you as a guest at their hotel, if you have complaints, if you have requests, for example, if you want an extra pillow or if you want any services, you have to chatbot with Edward and Edward will serve you. So this artificial intelligence application can be adopted by a Pearl Continental Hotel, which will help in hospitality for its customer. The third one is artificial intelligent robotics.